Alright, so this is how you wrap a third brake light. It looks beautiful. As soon as I wipe it off, it'll look like it's brand new again, you know. But this is where a lot of people stop. But this is where I put my special disturbing creation technique in. And I think it looks just a lot better. So as you can see, these little bumps in here, those are not air. But you can't tell what it is. They're actually words. So I'm going to heat that up and show you how to get the word to come out. I'm going to heat right on the word. I'm going to take this little thing here and just kind of move it around. Now look, you can see all the little letters and everything. It says .SAE 96. So this light must have came out of the 97. So I have a tiniest little bubble in this word right here. So I'm going to take this and make a little pinhole in there, just for the air to escape. And then take my little spreader and push it around. And it's gone. Oh. And let me see. Just trying to see if there's any more little air bubbles before I show it to you. There's a little one in the emblem here. So you can look a little bit pinhole there. And get a little pinhole right there. Never see it. And that's it. Now look at the words. This is .SAE. This is 9331054. What? This is probably the part number. This is made in Germany. And this is like some M with a circle around it. And I have no idea what this little symbol is down here. But I mean, I can read off half of these things. I don't know if you guys can see it in the light. So I'm going to do it a couple of different ways. Can you see the emblem? So that's it. So